Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sa lahat ng aking pagpakumbaba at pagrespeto sa inyo lahat. Of course, siguro I will interest time. I will explain. I will spend with formalities, except of course give justice to the time, the travel, the effort of our guest of honor speaker, who will be nagiging colorful yung ating activity ngayon because ang presensya ng ating secretary. Now we meet, of course, our guest of honor speaker, Honorable Del Sarmiento, na he also served about 8 years in the Army as chairman of our MSAP, or our multi-sectoral advisory board, the Philippine Army. And until now, we enjoyed the labor of our good secretary in the lead our MSAP. Kaya po, ang aming lower units ay in-harvest na yung pinaghirapan ng ating good secretary in mentoring the leadership of the Army in particular. Sir, sanggibong salamat. Now we also to greet our boss, Lieutenant General Donald Gumeran, the Commander of PESCOM, ably represented by the Deputy Brigadier General Bayani Kurami, the Deputy Commander for Internal Defense Operations. Akap natin siya. Of course, allow me also to greet ang kasama ko, ang body ko na Brigade Commander dito sa Lanao. Brigadier General Yasir Barat, ang 101 Brigade. Of course, yung bagong salita kanina, ating General Director ng PNP, and of course, hindi ko makalimutan my good friend, alam ko, instrumento siya, kasi kanito tayo meron at kadami-daming bread. Honorable Impi Wilvin Sumulaya, kalakpan mo na. Gusto ko rin pasalamanan ang apat na barangay o ating apat na municipal mayors, na kundi sa kanila sigurado tayo na wala tayo ngayon dito this memorable event ngayon. Kalapakan po rin natin yung ating apat na mayor. Allow me also to greet the Honorable Undersecretary Major General Yano. Nandun po siya. Siya po ang katuwang ng ating Secretary. So, kanina, nung nakita ko yung baril na ito, pinag-iisipan ko na, sir, after siguro a year from now, baka puno na yung brigade headquarters ng baril na ito. At baka ang aking pinag-iisipan, paano namin i-demil or demilitarize itong mga baril na ito. So, siguro, sir, alerto lang po kayo na our good secretary. Please come over during the witness demilitarization of those firearms. I-schedule po namin with our mayors, yung paano i-demil itong napakadaming baril. So, alam ko, sa 1 Motor Brigade pa lang ito. maybe next month, nandun naman tayo sa Malabang, sa 101 Brigade, at with the same activity. So, nakita natin, napakarami po ng baril sa Lanao del Sur. Of course, collectively, I want to greet the barangay captain nandito ngayon. No? Alam ko, naging instrumento kayo. Bakit meron tayong ganito kadami na baril? Palakpakan po natin yung ating mga barangay captain. No? Ang ating mga dato, mga sultans, mga bayin. No? Sa inyo, Mapia, Kapipita, Kano-Langon. Today, important gathering is a strong manifestation of what we call a partnership to peace, security, and development in the province of Lanao del Sur. A joint ceremonial turnover of those firearms under the Small Arms and Light Weapon Management Program is not merely a symbolic activity, but a strong manifestation of unity, trust, and shared responsibility among the local government units, security forces, and our communities. The voluntary turnover of those firearms by the municipality of Bolondo, Tamparan, Lumba Bayabaw, and Taraca reflects the growing commitment of our people to reject violence, uphold the rule of law, and actively support peace and security initiative in the province of Lanao del Sur. This initiative demonstrates that lasting peace can be achieved with the government agencies, local leaders, and the community work together with sincerity, cooperation, and common purpose towards a safer and more progressive society. Over the past month, several municipalities within the brigade area of operation have actively participated in SALW management program by voluntarily turnover of unregistered and undocumented firearms. These collective efforts significantly contribute to the maintenance of peace and security, peace and order, not only within the jurisdiction of the brigade, but throughout the entire province of Lanao del Sur. The SALW management programs runs parallel with the REDO settlement for the community-based conflict management and peace-building effort. As we continue to reduce the presence of those firearms in our community, we are also addressing the root causes of conflict through dialogue, cooperations, and stronger partnership with LGUs, traditional leaders, religious sectors, and other stakeholders. This whole-of-nation approach remains essential in achieving genuine and lasting peace in Lanao del Sur. Your One-Water Brigade, in coordination with LGUs, barangay officials, the PNP, that we will conduct an evaluation assessment on the effectiveness of this program. This assessment will determine the impact of this program in reducing the community-based conflict or family feud or freedom, armed violence, and other security threats that have long affected the peace and stability of our communities across the province of Lanao del Sur. Through data gathering, community consultations, and security assessment on the ground, we aim to measure whether the reduction of these firearms has directly contributed to the decrease of local conflict. Titingnan po natin, after a year, siguro we will be sure this program, is it effective? Based on our measure of effectiveness and measure of performance. So, tingnan natin after a year kung maganda. Pag hindi maganda, hindi na natin ituloy ito. So, give this program an opportunity sa ating mga kababayan. So, the improvement of overall security landscape, this continuing evaluation will also serve as basis in further enhancing the peace building strategies, community-based conflict management initiatives, and other government intervention necessary to sustain the lasting peace. Today, your Haribon Brigade is now at its final post towards the dismantling of the two major threat groups, the SRC-5, itong MPA na nandito ngayon sa taas, and of course, the remaining Dawla Islamiyah now operating in the area of interior operations. At the end of these threat groups, before we are hoping that we could end this group, we were able to finish the fight against this group by the end of this semester. So we would maximize and fully utilize all available resources, operational capabilities to decisively neutralize and dismantle these threat groups. The final phase of our campaign reflects our unwavering commitment to establishing a safe, stable, conflict-resilient environment and sustainable socio-economic growth throughout the province, so that our economic and development managers, the mayors, together with all peace and development stakeholders, will be able to effectively deliver essential basic services and sustainable development initiative across the province of Lanao del Sur. When we work together in unity, cooperation, and understanding, we can accomplish many things. Great things will happen for our communities and for our people. To the people of Taraca, Molondo, Tamparan, and Luto Bearo, sa inyong lahat, sa ngibong salamat sa inyong support. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you for your inspiring